Hello and welcome to my channel Lanakas, and today we are going to learn about dictionaries in Python. So we can initialize a dictionary by using the key value pair. Each pair is separated by a colon, pairs are separated by commas, and it is surrounded by the curly bracket. So let's have a look. Here we can initialize like this, the curly brackets and the key and the value pair. And we can retrieve the value using the key, same like as the index value in the list. So and the one thing is that the key should not start with number. So now let's run this program and have a look. Yeah, if you print the dictionaries, it will come like this, and if you print with its key value, it will come the value. Yeah. And thank you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.